Hallo, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. Today I have the cutest Easter toppers for you and some giveaways. So let's get started. Before I share some adorable Easter toppers with you, I just wanted to remind you again of my upcoming vacation. Please put your Easter and spring order in right now. Any orders submitted on or after March 10th will be shipped on March 27th when I return from my vacation. My sister is coming from Germany to visit me and we will be traveling. I won't be able to ship any orders because I'm not going to be in my house, and also I won't be on YouTube for 3 weeks. So I hope for your support and that you will return by the end of March. But I am open now until March 10th. So let's get started. Look at this cute little Easter lamp here. This one comes from the Easter lamp toppers by the Easy 3D toppers by Heartycrafts, and there are 10 of them in this pack, and one is just more adorable than the next. Look at these. And each of them come in an individual bag with 3 pieces. So you have the base piece and then the matching toppers that you can add with foam pads to have this 3-dimensional effect on your card. And my cards are always simple. I like simple and quick cards, yet they need to look really nice. And here I used a card blank from Michaels, and I have paper that I introduced a couple weeks ago, and that's the butterfly or perfect butterfly flowers, Janine's art. Beautiful spring papers, just perfect for my Easter cards. And this is just one of these double-sided papers. They're 6 by 6, and I added one of these cute lamps on a big Easter egg. Happy Easter is a sticker, and I will link that one below. Okay, let's see what we have next. Let's check this one here. This one here is also a super adorable topper coming from the Cute Bunnies, and cute indeed. Look how friendly they are. So super adorable. Again, 10 of them to the bag, and they come in 3 layers, and here is just one of them. Again, very simple. I have a white card blank, and then this cute bunny. The paper I used here comes from a paper pack that I had last year, and I still have a couple in my shop. And there are Prima paper packs, and let's see if I can put this in here, and it's called the Watercolor Floral. So the Watercolor Floral has these gorgeous cardstock papers in there. I can link the video from last year, but here are just just a quick flip through of these gorgeous cardstock papers with cut aparts and double-sided. So you have this watercolor washed bag, and this is just one of those. And I added this cute little bunny, and then one little sticker from my stash. And this is, by the way, the back part of this cardstock. And here we have some glitter borders just to give it a distinct border. Here I have this beautiful corner piece topper. And with this card, again, there is a white card blank to start out with. Then I added paper from the Paper Boutique paper pack I introduced a couple of weeks ago. And it is called the Springtime Meadows. They are almost all gone. This was very popular. It's so pretty though. And this is the paper but there's still a couple left. This is the paper that I have used for this card. A little bit of mirror paper in green this gorgeous corner cluster that comes from the flower corners. Also an easy 3D topper, and you can see all these different corners. Here's the one I used with the eggs. There is one with a cute little bunny, one with crocus, and then all the beautiful flowers. So not just for Easter, but for all other spring occasions as well. Here they are. And these are A2 cards, A2 size cards, so you have an idea of how they sit on this size card. The Happy Easter comes from a sticker sheet. Here it is. I have that in 5 or 6 different colors. So you have the Happy Easter and then some flowers. And that makes my card. And I think it is very pretty with the mirrored paper here. I made a second card with the same paper pack. So here we have the lots and lots of love is also part of the Paper Boutique paper pack. There are some sentiments in there. There are sentiments in die cuts and of course all the pretty papers. Now here we have this cute little chick coming out of the egg. And this one here is coming from the Easter Chicks pack. And just look how adorable they are. They cannot get any sweeter. And I love the colors and the pinks and the purple. But you also have a blue here. The tulips. The daffodils. Got some violets here. Lily of the Valley. So just gorgeous, gorgeous cute little chickens, and they're all coming out of their eggshell. How sweet is that? And here we go. There it sits, and the paper is from the same paper pack, and those paper packs have also die cuts in there. So this is one of the die cut, and all I have done is added some stickles and then again some of the green mirrored paper that I had on my craft desk. For my next cards, I have used die cut sheets with these cute duckling toppers. Look how adorable it is. So let's take a look at the die cut sheets. So we have here the Botanical Spring, and this is Amy design. And on each of these die cut sheets, let me see if I can move it out a little bit, you have 3 designs. So I have a couple here for you, and so there is the first design, the second design, the third design, and then all the extra layers. Same over here, 1, 2, 3, and the additional layers. They're all die cut. All you have to do is press them out and then assemble them with foam pads. And these are they're just wonderful. They're called the Botanical Spring Amy design, and this is a Dutch company, FindIt. That's what it's called. And here I have made this card. Again, I used the Perfect Butterflies paper pack. And isn't that paper just gorgeous? So here is, it comes like in a, I showed you the paper pack, and it is like a booklet form. So you just go ahead and cut it out so you have a 6x6 paper. But isn't this gorgeous? I just love this paper. So pretty. And here, this is what I used. I had these tags here for the longest time. Those are Michael's tags that I bought several years ago, and they're like cardstock. You can see they're quite thick. And in the end, I never used them. I thought I could use them like Easter egg hangers, and you could hang them on a tree because they do have a hole. But now I use them up. So here we have this duckling, the paper, just this one tag, and then I added, of course, all the layers and a little bit of stickles on a hot pink card blank from Michael's, and of course there is a card layer in there. Next is this cute little duckling here with the grape hyacinths, and then those beautiful natural looking eggs with a little feather there. Same thing, one of the papers from the pack. Let's see if I can find it, if it's still in there. This is so gorgeous. I just love it. No, I think I used them all up. Yeah, most of them are gone because I pretty much used all the papers. But yeah, this is from this paper pack. Obviously, if you get it, it is intact and has all the papers in there. But here we have, again, I just added... Oh, by the way, these little stickers here, I also have them on here. Those little puffed up, beautiful heart stickers. I got them in from Germany just recently. They come on a big sheet like this. I also have one that has drops. Let me see if I can find it. So yes, here they go. Here they are. So they come on a cardstock background, and then we have one big heart, and then all these beautiful little puffy hearts and pinks and blues and whites. So they're iridescent, and they take on the color of your project. And I also have these drops, so I'm gonna link them below. They're really, they go a long way, and they're so cute. These are here in purples and greens. So that's what I have. And yeah, so it comes on a clear sheet like this. This is what I have used here. So this is the bigger heart, and then of course those little ones, I just added them as bling to my card, and then of course some of these stickers. And then here again, we have the hearts right here and up there too. And there is of course a third card for the third one, and here it is, this gorgeous duckling again. So cute. This paper comes from the Prima paper pack that I just shared with you. Same sticker here on this tag. I just added a button, those cute little hearts again, all layered. And this little bow is from the Farmstead Easter, the Violet Studio. Has all kinds of small bows in there that are already done. All you have to take them out. There's actually a matching paper pack. This is from last year, and I still have a couple left, or maybe just one. So if you're interested, be quick. So this is the Farmstead Easter, beautiful 6x6 paper pack. This is single-sided, but it's got all these cute little Easter themes on here. And matching are these bows, and that's what I have used on this card. So here are the 3 cards from the die cut sheets. Okay, and then I have a few giveaways. Now, I really wanted to do a regular giveaway where you comment and then I'm gonna draw a winner. But then I noticed I'm not gonna be here next next Saturday, so that's not gonna work. But I still want to give these away. Basically, what this is papers and embellishment sheets and die cuts from all the projects that I have done over the last few weeks. There will be a couple other packs that I haven't created yet, but I'm gonna give these away to one of my, or two, not one, to my, I think I'm gonna have 5. So I'm gonna give these away, different ones, to 5 of my subscribers. And all you would do is, well, you are my subscriber, I know that, and then if you comment on this video, I will send them out. I'm not going to do a big drawing here because I cannot let you know, but if you comment on this video, I will, you know, pull your name. If there are more than 5 comments, then I will draw, but I'm not going to make a video because I won't be here. But yeah, I think once you comment, you have a good chance that you get one of these. So there will be 5 altogether. Those are the 3 that I have already ready, and I think I'm going to do a couple of the Paper Boutique packs also to send those out. So we'll see. Definitely 5 packs. So anyway, if you're interested, just support me by leaving me a comment on my video, and then of course be my subscriber. Here are all the cards that I have created for today's video. I hope you like them. If so, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this video with your crafty friends and family. I would really appreciate the support. These cards are up for sale in value packs on my channel, so head over if you are interested. But this is all I have for you today. I will be away on vacation for the next 3 Saturdays, and I will see you at the end of March again. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please stay or get well and happy crafting. I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.